Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this air conditioner, outside air conditioner, the unit that is outside cover that this brand sent to me for this video. I gotta say that this one is really good for the spring and summer season. If you have something that is happening with your house or something like that that you don't like to have, like, sneezing all day or something like that, you may want to try this one just because it's gonna cover a little bit of what is having like a debris or something like that in your external air conditioner unit. So with that being said, you're gonna see that comes with the straps. You have different sizes. You have 36 by 36, 32 by 32, and 28 by 28. Once that we have that, what we're gonna do is gonna go to my external air conditioner unit, and I'm gonna show you how you're gonna extend, how you're gonna install it, and then we're gonna go from there. But this is gonna be super easy for you to do. Anyone can do it. Something like this can really affect the performance of your external unit. If you have something like this, if you have leaks, especially like in the spring and the autumn season or the fall season, you need to protect this to, number one, prevent and also help on the performance of your external unit. And number two, if someone at your house or yourself are kind of like battling with, sneezing all days or things like that, having an external cover for your air conditioner unit may really help. And the installation process takes no time. It's gonna be in about 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes. And as you can see over here, you have the different sizes. You have the 28 by 28, 32 by 32, which is this unit that we're covering today, and the 36 by 36. So check the size before ordering. And I already have the 4 straps set up right here. Just make sure that these are gonna be extensible, that you can extend these ones up to this point where you're gonna use the cover. And the 4 metal O-rings that this one has, let me extend it to you and show it how it is. So you're gonna have the full unit right here. Take a look at how tight this mesh is. This mesh is really tight, so it's going to prevent not only leaves, but some other external agents as well, like, and even insects. So this mesh, which is, of course, like a plastic mesh, is going to be really good for covering your unit outside. And as I was saying before, the installation takes no time. Really, really no time. You're going to do it this way. Just make sure that the tag is right here. So you're going to put strap number 1, which you already have installed. You're gonna put it this way, and when you're holding that one, you're gonna hold this one up to this point, and you're gonna put it as well, just making sure that you have the metal O-ring set up. And when you're holding the other one, you're gonna put this one, which is gonna be the third one. Just same process, the metal strap over there. And last but not least, with a lot of tension, you're gonna put the last one, and that's gonna be it. So make sure that all these ones are connected to all the corners, the 4 corners, and that's it. And this is how it looks with the cover. You can see the AC unit, it's on right now, and the airflow stays the same. Nothing is gonna happen. It's gonna be really smooth. But the good thing is that the airflow staying the same, it's also at the same time, it's going to prevent for things to come in inside. Like, for example, a little bit of debris, a little bit of leaves or things like that. You can see that some of them will stick inside, but it's not going to happen with the cover. So that is going to be both a really good, smooth experience on airflow, and it also going to kind of like a little bit modify in a better way your electricity cost. So that is really good. You can see nothing is getting inside. Doesn't matter if it's getting fixed right here in the mesh, nothing is gonna get inside. So that is a really good thing. And you can also see that the actual hooks are not gonna do anything with the frame of the AC unit outdoors. It's not gonna modify it, it's not gonna damage it. This is just gonna help both boost your air, boost your airflow, keeping it super smooth, but at the same time, keeping everything outside. So easy to install, convenient to have, and if you have an external unit like this one, check the size and do it with green beds.